Here goes video number 2. So we should be at the bike problem, markups and markups. All right. So we know learned earlier in class that a store is always going to pay less for what they sell than what they sell it for. Okay. For this, so store A, they buy the bike for $75 and they sell it with a 5% markup. All right. So we're going to again go back to our equation and find out what the price is going to be. So if they sell it with a 5% markup, our percentage is going to be, we're going to use our percent as the decimal 0.05, and then multiply that times these $75, and that's going to give us our A. Okay, so that's going to give us our markup amount. So 75 times 0.05, that is going to be $3.75. And so in the end, they're going to go sell the bike for 75 plus $3.75, or $78.75. Okay, so that's store A. Store B. Let's look at this. They buy the same bike for $66. So A is going to be and sell with a 15% markout, so marked out. So it's 0.15 times 66. All right. So 0.15 times 66. That is going to give me $9.90. So you're going to end up adding them up. So 66 plus $9.90. That bike is going to be sold for $75.90. All right. So between the two of these, the $75.90, that's your better deal. Okay. So now we are going to buy 4 pounds of apples at one farmer's stand. You can buy 7 pounds of apples. So 4 pounds of apples at one farmer's stand for $9.84. 7 pounds of apples for $17.22. We want to know, are they proportional? Another way of, or in the end, are their cross products going to be equal to each other? So we're going to end up making a ratio. So 4 over $9.84. Okay. And the other one is going to be 7 over $17.22. So now we're going to look at the cross products. If they are equal, then they are going to be proportional. So 4 times 17.22, is that equal to 7 times $9.84? Okay, so we should get 68.88 over here. And then over here, we're going to end up getting 68.88. Excuse me. And so, yes, this is a proportional relationship, okay? So cross products are equal. All right. Moving right along, this last problem, number 7, is going to be solved using an equation. That equation is going to be the A equals P times W. Excuse me again. All right. So if you haven't noticed, this equation is awfully important. All right. So we look at this 27. We look, and is means equal. We're looking for our percents. We're looking for our P times 90. So if I divide both sides by 90, that's going to give me my P by itself. And P is going to be equal to 0.3 or 30%. All right. So next up, we want to know what is 15% of 180. Okay. So A is equal to, is means equal, 15%. So 0.15 times 180. Do that multiplication. 0.15 times 180. That's going to be equal to 27. Okay. So 27 is 15% of 80. So last one up, 25. That's equal to 40% of what number? So 0.4 times sub whole. Divide by 0.4 on each side. Waiting for the computer to catch up here. And you're going to get W by itself. 25 divided by 4/10. That should give us 62.5. All right, so that concludes the video for the test. Hopefully everybody finds it and watches it, and you're nice and prepared tomorrow. So good luck everybody tomorrow on the test. You're going to do wonderful.